Welcome back to Maths Masterclass. In this lesson, we're going to explore how we use letters in math, especially the famous letter X. We'll explain what variables and constants are, and how algebra lets us replace unknown numbers with symbols. Let's begin. Sometimes, in real life, we don't know the exact number we're working with. Imagine someone says, "I'm thinking of a number. If I add 3 to it, I get 10. We don't know the number, so we use a letter to stand in its place. That's where X comes in. We write, X plus 3 equals 10. In algebra, a variable is a letter that represents an unknown value. It can change, depending on the problem. In our example, X is a variable. A constant is a number that stays the same. In X plus 3 equals 10, the numbers 3 and 10 are constants. They don't change. They're fixed values. So, whenever you see a letter like X, Y, or A, that's a variable, the value we're trying to find. Let's look at a few simple problems using variables. Example 1. X plus 3 equals 10. What number plus 3 equals 10? Answer: X equals 7. Example 2. 12 minus X equals 5. What must be subtracted from 12 to get 5? Answer: X equals 7. Example 3. Y minus 4 equals 2. This time we're using Y instead of X. What number minus 4 equals 2? Answer: Y equals 6. So, why do we use letters in math? Because they make it easier to work with unknowns. We can solve real-life problems even when some parts are missing. And you can use any letter, not just X. But X is the most common, especially in early algebra. Let's try a few problems together. Pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. X plus 2 equals 9. What is X? Answer: X equals 7. Question 2. X minus 5 equals 3. What is X? Answer: X equals 8. Question 3. M plus 6 equals 10. What is M? Answer: M equals 4. Well done. Remember, letters in algebra are just tools to help you find missing values. So now you know what a variable is, what a constant is, and why we use letters like X in math. In the next video, we'll go one step further, learning how to solve basic equations step by step. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson in this series. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.